So I've decided to do a whole video just on paper. Now here are some of my paintings over the years. I have experimented with them all. Here we have 2 paintings made on cheap Canson paper. The one thing that I've noticed with the cheaper papers is that sometimes the color just ends up dulling, or the paint doesn't really blend well together. So yes, it's cheap, but the colors are not blending the way you want them to, or the color is not as vibrant as some of the other paintings that you've seen from some of your favorite painters. So next up here is cheap multimedia paper. As you can see, the blends they don't look so good. And the color is very dull. You're just not going to get those beautiful vibrant colors that you're looking for, and you're going to have a really hard time blending the colors together. Okay, so on to cold pressed paper. These are 2 different brands, Fabriano and Arches. And as you can see, there's a bit of texture. Because the paper is quite thin, you don't have as much drying time, so you can still see some of those edges. This paper is still nice to work with. Next up, this is Arches, and as you can see, because it's a bit thicker paper, the drying time is a little bit longer. You can get slightly more smooth blends, and the texture doesn't really show up when you're painting something quite bright. This is Arches hot pressed paper, and as you can see, there's absolutely no texture. It's very smooth. You can make these really beautiful smooth blends, and some of the texture that you're getting is from the granulation in the paint, not the paper itself. So here you can see a little bit of streakiness, but it's still quite smooth. And even though you can see some of the sharper edges here, it still blends really nicely. You can see the difference in the streakiness and the edges between the cheaper paper, not 100% cotton paper, and the 100% cotton paper.